Today, I'm painting a mural for my very lovely friend slash client, Lawan Payne. Say hello. Yes, you are. Shy. Anyways, so I'm setting up right now. So I'm using trash bags to lay it out on the floor so I don't get paint on there. And then I'm gonna plug in some stuff. Yeah, and get started. So, see you guys later. I'm on day 2. As you can see, a lot of progress has been done. I need one more layer for the background, the letters, a few other details, and then other than that, I'm going to start doing the atomic glow stuff all around the whole wall. And hopefully I get to finish today. If not, then day 3, here we go. But yeah, so I'm going to get started. Day 3, hopefully the final day. As you can see, a lot of progress. Just finished eating breakfast, and now let's finish this baby up. I'm gonna add more bamboo on that side and top it off with cherry blossoms, fill in more grass, add a couple hummingbirds, and I'll be done. So, see you guys when I'm done. Bye. Alright, you guys, I am done now. Are you ready for the reveal? This is a sketch. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Alright, alright. This is it. Woo! Finally done. Oh my gosh. I know. Finally. Little hummingbirds. Okay. This is my friend's logo. His cannabis club. Cannabis dispensary business, sorry. It's opening in about a month or 2. And this is it. It's gonna be just all online deliveries. But yeah, he wanted something very zen, very botanical, peaceful, but very flourishing. And there you go. Something when his employees walk in and they're like, yeah, feels great to be here. So thank you for being with me through this whole process. Let me know down in the comments below what's your favorite part of this mural. Yeah, please stay safe, you guys. I know it sucks right now and being sheltered in place, but it's for our own good, and if we all just do it, this could be over soon, I hope. Please stay safe. I love you. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Ladies Arte, if you want to see more of my art and buy my art and support. But yeah, love you guys, and see you guys soon in another video. Ciao.